Hey everyone, this is my Sears Model 347182 fan forced radiant heater with 3 heat settings. Now if you think you've seen this heater before, well, it's because you've seen a similar heater before. I used to have one of these about 10 years ago but lost it in the fire. Here's some footage of it here from way back in the day. Now this one was a Model 34-7139 and it pretty much has the same features as the current heater that I've got, in that it's a fan forced radiant heater with 3 heat settings and a thermostat, but the switchgear on this one is a little bit different. You can see that this unit has a rocker switch on it, while my new heater features push buttons, including an off setting for the heater as well. I'm going to show the new box now to my new heater, and it lists all the features out here along with the model number. But this box is kind of deteriorating a bit, so I don't know how long it's going to last. We'll get to the heater itself here. And what we're going to do is give a quick little demonstration of this. Now, I can't demonstrate it for very long or very well because the little fan inside doesn't really work right now. It needs to be likely freed up. It's likely seized up with old oil residue. So we'll go ahead and start it up so you can at least see that it works on all of its settings. And we'll start it up on the high setting and turn on the thermostat. And you can see here in this little bit here that this fan is not turning over at all. Like I said, I think it's just seized up with old oil residue and it needs to be freed up. The good thing about this heater is it's not going to be terribly difficult to take it apart in order to do that. What we're going to do now is bring it down to one of the lower settings. And the way that it accomplishes its lower settings is it has additional sets of heating elements that get brought into the circuit to add extra resistance. That's how you get your lower wattage heat settings like 1250 and 1000 watts. So we'll go ahead and turn the heater off now. So with that, I'm going to conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old Sears heater, but this will not be the last that you see of it. I'm going to put it out in my workshop, and when I can get to it, I'll get that fan motor freed up and we'll be back with another demonstration of this thing. Thank you for watching, and of course, we will have more to come, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.